It's already started. We always have so much fun when the Arizona Science Center shows up. And today we're talking all about eggs.
Eggs. It's an excellent time to talk about density, physics, and robots.
Crack me up.
Not robots. Remember, she just said we're not doing robots.
Well, okay,
no, we can talk about them. We're just not going to demonstrate
I don't have
them.
it.
Gotcha.
But I will tell you that in Create, our makerspace, we have an egg bot, which it actually computer controls a design onto the egg. It's really cool.
Oh, that is cool.
Okay.
I just didn't bring it
too?
today.
Oh, sure.
So, yeah, we are talking eggs today. I brought gloves and goggles for you both. We're not working with anything outside of what you would normally find.
These are dirty.
They're not dirty. They have, I put them out here and they have vinegar on them already. Likely story. You're safe. You're safe.
Okay, good.
So first things first, eggs are abound right now. How do you tell if an egg is good or not?
If it floats in the water?
Yes, I knew you knew that. So I want you to take one egg from this carton. And there, if you open up this carton and take that egg right there.
Well, we don't know.
Well, let's see. Let's put them in there. So here's the thing. It's really hard to find people who keep bad eggs around right now, right? But the one that is on its side on the bottom is very fresh, very good. That's how you can tell it's a very fresh egg. And then you'll notice that the one on the back is sort of standing up on its end.
I didn't know that.
So it's still edible. Because the shell is semi-permeable, so that means air can get in, and if the older it is, a little more air gets in, and it starts to float. If it's floating all the way at the surface, it's totally not good to eat, but standing up like this is still okay to eat. Matter of fact, those, when you boil them, are supposedly a little bit easier to peel. If you
Oh, good to know.
I didn't know that.
Next?
Next, okay, continuing the fun with eggs. So let's grab another good egg.
Okay.
Yep. Out of that batch, we won't use the clear ones over there.
I buy those.
But they're not bad.
They're not bad.
They just
those apparently expired in January, so eggs can last for a really long time. Those are still good to eat, I know. But you're going to take a good egg. These are not hard-boiled eggs. You're going to place one in this jar right here.
Do you want
gently?
Okay, don't break the egg.
Don't break them. Okay. So we're going to do what's called naked eggs. If you want to put
Can
two,
I put two in there?
Yeah, why not? Let's do two. And then you're going to take vinegar, and you're going to pour the vinegar in. We're going to cover the eggs entirely. Now, when we do this, what do you know about vinegar? Is it an acid or a base?
Acid.
It's acidic. So when you do that, the eggshell starts to dissolve. Now, let's look right here at the eggs.
So we're just starting to bubble.
Yeah, how quickly. Wow.
You guys are so good.
You want me to cover it?
Nope, you don't have to. Well, you can, but I wouldn't, because here we are producing carbon dioxide as the shell breaks down. It's calcium carbonate. Gosh, I had to think about that for a second. It's the same thing as chalk. So much like a baking soda and vinegar reaction, it's producing carbon dioxide bubbles. So you don't want to cap it off, because that's going to build some pressure just over time. But you're going to leave it sit for a couple days.
That's pretty cool.
This one here has been sitting for about 12 hours. Go ahead and take that one out. Or here's a spoon if you need to fish it out.
He's going right in.
I mean, not long at all. And what do you notice about it?
Squishy.
Oh,
it's squishy.
Look at that. Be careful, it's raw.
And then here, Anita, you can take this one out. This one's been sitting for a week.
Wow.
And now you're going to want to be careful, because this one does have
big.
a pretty... It is big. Okay, I'm so glad you noticed that as well.
It's so much bigger than the original size.
Why do you think that is? Yep, you can put it in the bowl if you want.
It's probably soaked up all that vinegar.
It has. So that comes back to that semi-permeable membrane. So here, I was able to drain one and also take the shell off. So this is the membrane around it. Has protein and also basically the protein, the keratin that's in your hair.
What would happen if we broke this?
Is there a yolk in there still?
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Go
Is it
ahead.
gross?
It's a raw egg.
Use a
So
spoon.
some of the water has gone in. It is just an egg. There you go.
Oh, so there is still the egg in there.
Wow.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Very.
I know. It's amazing. You can put a flashlight on it, do some investigations, see what happens over time.
Fry
Again,
it up
about
and eat
30
it for
seconds.
breakfast.
if you really want to. So then, of course, making it green eggs and ham themed, I couldn't help myself. So if you want to get a little more creative, you can actually create a glowing egg by taking the inside out. Let's see if I can do this in our 30 seconds. Out of a highlighter, adding it to your vinegar, and then using a black light. Go ahead. If you can get it up.
I was trying to share.
Turn on the black light there. And it will glow. So
wait, how did you do that? You took the center out of the Sharpie?
I did. I took the center out of a Sharpie highlighter. Any highlighter. Doesn't matter. All right, see? Goggles. Sorry, guys. You all right? We always have fun here.
We always scream when you come
Always a little something.
All
So
right.
just taking that cartridge out will soak it.
And people can find all this fun at the Science Center.
Always at the Science Center. A little something that you never expected. This and so much more. Of course, as I mentioned in our makerspace, we've got the egg bot activities all day long, and mummies of the world happening with us today.
That's a cool one. Thank you.